So it's Canada Day. I'm bored and I already have a mess, so I don't have to worry about making a mess. So I think I'm gonna do something with this little piece of walnut I have here. It's thick though. It's gonna take a million passes over the plane, but I'm gonna go debark it and let's see if we can make something nice with this. Slippers are not the way to do this. I think you're gonna run that way for a while. Not bad. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, Michael Jackson. I don't need to empty. I think I need to do this. As much as I like this, excuse me, as much as I like this thing, I think if things go better with my business, I'm going to buy a big Laguna dust collector, put it outside the building, with big honking hose coming through, just one that attaches to every tool, maybe a 2 or 3 horsepower. But for now, this is what we got. So, yeah, let me get all my safety gear on and we do this. I'm not going to bore you with any more of this. I'll show it to you further on. So that's what I got out of that. It's like a million passes and it's about 7/8 of an inch. That's the back of it. I think, I don't know about removing all the bark or not at this point. That's a little hole here that needs to be filled. But I think if I leave it like that and then make a handle, like, yeah, make it about that long, this section here, handle, and this hole. I think we can make it work. Let's beat up the other one, see what happens. So this is what I got out of them. This guy's gonna wind up being a 24-inch. Right now it's almost 4 feet, but I'm gonna cut the end of it. That one is 4 feet long, but I'm gonna probably put the handle somewhere around where this crack is. Then I got this big boy here that is 58 inches long, which is, it's kind of telling me where the handle should be. So sometimes you have to listen to the wood. Anyways, let's make some whatever. I can never pronounce how those stupid boards are, but I think you know what I'm talking about. So let's draw some handles and cut them up. So to those that saw my my shop tour and said, "Oh, the shop is too clean," yeah, you tell me. Some mess over there, and yeah, leaving the bark on the wood to run through the planer was not a big deal. However, it did create like some kind of brownish dust, which I'm pretty sure is not very healthy. So as you can see, my that was a white filter. So anyways, my finished product is somewhere out there. Kim is beans or peas?
Peas, shelling peas.
Shelling peas. And that's the outcome. This was the first little ugly piece that I started with. It actually has bark detail in the back. This one actually looks good both ways. This was the biggest piece. It wound up being 56 inches. And that's the other one. So, what do you think, Paco? Yeah, he doesn't have an opinion. Anyway, so that's it. It's Canada Day charcuterie boards, or whatever the fuck they're called. It's just oh, why did it swear? I'll tell you why. Because otherwise YouTube puts advertising on your videos. So good luck, Mr. YouTube. Anyways, don't subscribe to my channel because I'm freaking crazy and you're not gonna learn anything here, but thanks for being here. Ciao.